So this is a proud moment for me. Little Fortnite, who was born first on my lap, has always been a loner. And I tried to bring him in when the other kittens are sitting on my lap, and he's always just ran away. But I think he's getting the hang of it. Pumpkin, do not ruin things. Yeah, you can play with Dobby. Little Boo is buried under there. But Fortnite, don't tell the others, but you will always be my favorite. Because you remind me of Winky. Runt of the litter that was in my life for 17 years, and that kitten stole my heart. Losing him was the hardest thing I ever had to do. And it's like he came back to me. I think that's the thing about rescue. They all have their own individual personalities, but when you look into those eyes, you know it's all worth it. And as I sit here with a litter box in my living room, not ideal, but we'll move it when they get a little bit older. It's a good feeling. It's a very, very good feeling.